Hi everyone and welcome back to another card making video. I'm back with my crafty friends from the Lawn Fawn Fans Hop with a fun Valentine's project. A big thank you to our two sponsors, Hobby Hoppers who is sponsoring a $50 Australian gift card, and Not Too Shabby who is sponsoring a $25 US gift card to their shops. All you have to do is hop along with all the videos, leave a comment and say something nice about the project you see in the video and tell us where you're from. We will be picking two different winners, each for one of the prizes. You can find every next video in the description. The winner will be randomly picked and announced on the last Sunday of January. Well, let's jump right in. Spreek je Nederlands? Er is ondertiteling beschikbaar. With the tiny gift box bee add-on, I cut out all the parts of different colors of cardstock. I cut the wings out of vellum. You could also do them out of white if you would like to, but the transparency is very cool with the background. Before I start assembling the bee, I'm adding a little Distress Oxide Spice Marmalade to give the bee a little dimension. I cut a stripe that you normally would use for the gift box decoration out of black cardstock and I snip off a small piece. Now I can use the strip to put it behind the bee's body to fill in the black for the eyes and the mouth. The rest of the assembly is pretty straightforward. The black bees at the bottom and at the top are glued in place. By the way, if you like my videos, you can support my channel by subscribing. It's totally free to do so. If you already are a subscriber, thank you! Then the antennas are glued behind it. Next is gluing the blushy cheeks in place. And the last step is gluing the wings to the back. For the background I used the stitched wood grain backdrop and the quilted heart backdrop landscape. I cut the wood grain out of craft paper and the heart backdrop out of watercolor paper. This will add different textures to the card. I made a card base out of craft paper and I used my ATG gun to glue on the wood grain backdrop. I'm cutting off a piece of the quilted heart backdrop from all sides. I'm aiming to cut off through the middle of the hearts, but you could also measure it out if you would like to. I cut a piece of metallic gold cardstock roughly to size. I'm going to glue the heart backdrop on and trim off the excess. I'm cutting off the excess with a ruler and a craft knife, but do however you would like to. When that's done, I glue it onto my card. I cut the giant Be My Valentine die out of pink cardstock and out of a piece of patterned paper from Lawn Fawn. I offset glue the two together. Now I place my sentiment on the card and check out how I want to place my bee. I want to cover the bee part of the sentiment to turn it into a punny version. I use a piece of thin foam tape to adhere the bee to the bee. Now I can glue the whole thing to the card so I exactly know where I want to place it. And with that my card is finished. It's a simple but super fun card to make. So if you would like to, it's super easy to mass produce these. Or just make one real quick when you forgot to make a card for your Valentine. Thank you for watching my video and joining the Lawn Fawn Fans Hop. Don't forget to leave a comment below and hop along to the next video you can find in the description for a chance to win one of the two awesome prizes. I also hope I inspired you with my video and that you feel inspired to get crafty as well. If so, please consider leaving a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel and ringing the bell to receive a notification when a new video is up. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!